I needed to replace my streamer because my old streamer, I guess its Android version, is fading out, and some of my favorite software programs like Pluto TV wasn't going to be supported on it anymore. So I did some research and I found this Google TV streamer. Now, I know some people may not like the whole white motif, but I think it's very sleek and streamlined, so doesn't bother me. And it's a nice touch to include some white batteries to keep that minimalistic theme going, I guess. So I did take the time before I started to take a photo of my apps on my old streamer. Just in case I forget something. It was really easy to set up. It wants you to connect to your Google Home if you have it, and that was fairly easy to do. And actually, when I opened Google Home, it was the first notification there, so I didn't even have to search around. Just a quick tip. Don't rename your device until after it's completely set up and you are signed in. And once you're signed in the Google Home app, there are some cool things you can do with it, like find your remote right from your phone. If you have Google passwords saved, it will automatically allow you to log in without having to scan that QR code. I found the setup super easy and intuitive, and I am back to watching my shows.